Okay, so it's Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, and I spent time already going over the window situation. And I'm pleased to report I got all 9 windows removed and tossed in the dumpster. So we're making progress on the installation. They have not yet delivered the windows, which was supposed to happen today. I've talked to them. I don't know what the holdup is. But actually, it's probably better if I just take a little break. So I'm on the second floor. Now, I had measured the rough openings for all of the windows and used my written down measurements to recall which ones to order. And for the second floor, I am pleased to report that now that I've got the windows out, I've double checked what the rough openings are, and they're all adequate. We may have to enlarge some of them because there's one where the window space is only 3/4 of an inch wider than the stated rough opening of the window, and you never know if anything is square, but that's it. Now, so starting in the big room, what we have is the windows on either side of the chimney. Those are pretty much squared away in terms of being big enough. These ones here also do have a little saddle seat for the window to set on. So they're totally framed in, and with any kind of luck, we should be able to just pop the windows in, tack them down, do the trim, and then we're good. Next is the big window. Now I've got them all covered with plastic because we're supposed to have rain. When the rain comes, I don't know how good that will be because basically might have a lot of wind. I stapled those in place. I'm just a little bit tired of stuff, so I didn't really nail them or put straps to hold them in. But the big window, which I was a little worried about, also should be adequate. There will be, I don't believe there's any more messing around on this one. Now on the two on the other side, this is the west facing side, similar to the size as the other chimney. The deal with these is there's no framing around them whatsoever, and something will have to be built. So I'm going to have to get some studs, and then we'll just have to figure out what to do to frame around them. It's not like the wall above them is a load-bearing wall, because in post and beam it's the rafters that do the weight bearing, and on the end caps those are nothing. So basically that's the story from upstairs. I'll go downstairs in a minute, but basically the short version in downstairs is that one of the windows has already been chipped out by a prior window installer, but there's another window that needs to probably have an inch taken out of one side, which I'll do maybe later today if I get motivated. All right, catch you later. Bye.